Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yapu right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to turn off your location in Chrome browser. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to come to the top right here and then click on this three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here and then click on settings. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy and security. Secure right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then go to site settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then go to sites and ask for your locations. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to turn off your location. And with that, you have turned off your location, and any site you visit, they will not be able to track your location. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.